trying to keep things together. And when you see me doing that, just know that I'm just trying to hold things together. I'm just trying to be strong for my girls. I'm just trying to keep things together. That is how I cope. I cope with dance, and I cope with expressing through my craft. And it's a way of living. It's how I live my life. So I read, and I can read all the comments, and I can see everything that everyone is saying. And I just want to say that I'm not gonna go here and say anything bad about my.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news when they come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This Korra matter will just happen so I really feel for her. I shed tears for her. I cried because it did very painful for what she talks. Say, make una dey careful, especially some presenter wey just carry Korra matter put for head. They no gree drop am again. Korra is this, Korra is that, Korra is a bad person. Korra na very good mother. Una, wetin she talk? I pick some things inside. She talk say, make una dey calm for all those una words wetin una dey talk. If they see everything, this girl dey cry inside. Una know wetin e take for somebody to born pikin, and that day we see how everything take dey okay. They were so happy together that day. So presenters, the way they take carry Korra matter put for head, like say their own just too dey okay. We don't hear so many things about una. We never judge una. Make una leave Korra alone. This guy is passing through stress. The man, una no know wetin that man dey do am. How can somebody, the way they just dey together, they born pikin, everything dey okay. They were so happy together that day. The next thing wey we come dey see, na the man come dey write after 1 week when he born. Mothers, una no know how e dey be when somebody go born pikin. Wey be say 3 months dem no dey sleep. That 3 months, na so you go dey carry them up and down. Na so you go dey cry. You yourself sometimes if they too cry, say you go dey cry follow them. You no go fit sleep. You no go fit sleep. You go dey cry. The pikin go dey cry. Only she. That girl na small pikin. This man too do this girl. And no matter what, you're not supposed to just abandon her now when she need them. When she need them. So be we dey careful for what the words we go dey use for Korra. I just feel pity for her. I really feel for her. It's not easy at all. It's not easy for what this girl they pass through now. All those get one presenter will just carry the matter, not grip put am for ground again. It's just they join the man. Attention seekers them. What did she do now? Woman like una not fit fight for herself. Now they fight for the man. Now don't know what this man they do. And now we can come out. Now we can say now they fight for women. Which women are they fight for? Which women are they fight for? When matter don't come out now, now begin they join the man. Or because una want make the man come grant it interview for una platform because the man they talk up and down. I feel for Korra. Women, men will they fight for ourselves. No matter what. Una hear one thing wey dem say I get talk for that she do matter. He say men they fight for themselves. He dress she do. I'm on your side. That was what he said. Men will they careful. I really feel pity for Korra. I feel pity for her. She was crying. She was crying. He said, no one talk anything for now. Because social media, anything where don't enter, I know they come out. So she want to be careful for what she want talk. She want to be careful. And she only born pikin. She never get that power for now. And she never supposed to even they cry. Woman will just born pikin. Blood see dey flow for her body. Make we dey careful for the words wey we go dey use for Korra. She need our prayer now. She need our support. We could just come out every time begin dey talk to the girl. She just dey pretend everything dey okay. Everything is not okay with her. So we should take it easy. Every time we just come out, they insult the girl. They we will take am easy now. Now human being she be now. I just feel for her. I really feel for her. That video when I see that, I was just crying like, God. We don't know what the person they pass through. We could just carry their matter. We don't go drop them again. No. No, they use our account sometimes now. My people, Korra, the Lord is your strength. The Lord is your strength. I know you will overcome this very, very soon. The Lord is your strength. A woman will just born pikin, she need help. Whether na Jose, I've been at Johnson, they call the mommy, I don't know. You all dey your body too. You talk too much. You talk too much. You dey do live video up and down now. I want to get here. I want to get here. I just dey look am. You leave your wife who just born pikin. What did she do you? What did she do you rich like that? Is this not wickedness? Woman wey just born pikin, you just leave am. May only she dey suffer. Who does that? Who does that? Pikin wey never reach 1 month. I just feel pity for Korra. I bet more take am easy for wetin anybody wey go do the more take am easy with the girl. Now small girl wey just we just the experience mother una wan just finish the girl. The truth have to be said here. Some presenters wey never see their own finish, they want to see another person who make una take am easy. Because una own just say una own dey una body. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share this video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Hi guys. I decided to come live today just to talk to you guys, my online family. Address some of the things that have been going on and this is a tell-all. I really don't want to, I'm not one to air my dirty linen in public because I know the internet never forgets. I always try to, first of all, I want to apologize. I want to apologize to everyone who saw the perfect depiction of family, perfect depiction of love, interracial love that I projected online and bought into it, and now they're very disappointed with what is going on. I am sorry that you had to see that and now you see everything crashing and everything going on. I just want to say I'm sorry.